First up, sources have told NDTV that the Election Commission is issuing a notice to Law Minister Salman Khurshid for a speech in Paul-bound Uttar Pradesh. He had announced that the Congress would provide a 9% sub-quota for Muslims if they win in Uttar Pradesh, after which the BJP complained to the Election Commission.
Commission is likely to issue notice, but at the end of the day, Election Commission doesn't have any
announcement of the Mr. Salman Khurshid from the central government on behalf of the central government on the issue of the Muslim reservation is not only unconstitutional, but clear-cut violation of the Model Code of Conduct. One thing. Second thing is, if central government and its ministers openly announce the decision that government is going to increase the quota of the Muslim from 4.5% to 9%, it is very clear cut that the destructive and very serious and very dangerous conspiracy of the Congress party to grab the Muslim vote and in the same time to disturb the social fabric of the Uttar Pradesh on the communal ground.
You are right, sir, but as per the poll violations, model poll code, the Election Commission doesn't have any powers to punish him. One example is Lalu Prasad Yadav was caught distributing notes. What happened?
This is not an issue of the distributing note. This is a very criminal case. A minister, a representative of the central government, is openly in a public meeting announced that on the basis of the religion, we are going to increase the quota for the Muslims from 4.5% to 9%. It is not only the violation of the Model Code of conduct, but it is also a violation of the constitutional norms.
Salman Khurshid earlier said there is a provision for backward religious groups, and if somebody complains, he will answer accordingly. Congress party is also backing the law minister.
इसकी अगर शिकायत करना चाहते हैं तो आ जाएं, हमें कोई परेशानी नहीं है। उनकी शिकायत अगर कोई सुनता है तो हम उसका जवाब दे सकते हैं, बता सकते हैं, और वो ये शिकायत क्यों कर रहे हैं ये आम जनता समझ रही है।
मुसलमान कहीं नहीं जा सकता, समाजवादी पार्टी को छोड़ के नहीं जा सकता। मुझे बताओ, मैंने उनसे कहा देखेंगे भैया, तो 2009 का चुनाव है देखेंगे, और आपने हमें समर्थन दिया क्योंकि हमने किसी से समझौता नहीं किया और ना हम किसी से समझौता करने वाले हैं। सच्चा कमीशन दिखाया हमने। 3 बार मुख्यमंत्री रहे मुलायम सिंह यादव, मायावती जी 4 बार मुख्यमंत्री बनी, एक बार उन्होंने इसके बारे में नहीं कहा। जब मुख्यमंत्री से आरक्षण के बारे में कुछ नहीं किया।
Malnutrition is a national shame. That's what Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh said today as he released India's Hunger and Malnutrition Report. The report says 42% children under 5 are underweight, 59% children under 5 are stunted, 92% mothers unaware about nutrition.
And I repeat that the problem of malnutrition is a matter of national shame. The survey reports high levels of malnutrition, but it also indicates that 1 child in 5 has reached an acceptable healthy weight during the last 7 years in 100 focus districts. What concerns me and what must concern all enlightened citizens is that 42% of our children are still underweight.
Sir, the highest level now intervening on this issue, the situation is pretty grave, isn't it?
Yes, in fact, almost 1 out of every 2 Indian children is malnourished. We have more malnourishment in the 8 worst affected states of the country than in sub-Saharan Africa. We need to take this very, very seriously. So the Citizens Alliance Against Malnutrition was formed recently. The idea being that we depoliticize this issue and work on it as a national objective.
Controversial author Salman Rushdie's proposed visit to India has kicked up a storm. Islamic Seminary, Darul Uloom Deoband yesterday said the government should cancel his visa. Deoband is opposing his visit to India for the Jaipur Literature Festival later this month. Rushdie was condemned by Muslims worldwide due to his novel, The Satanic Verses. But now the government is saying it will not do anything outside the law. Law Minister Salman Khurshid said if someone feels Rushdie's visit needs to be stopped, he should approach the law if there is a legal provision for that. Organizers of the Lit Fest are questioning why should the visa be cancelled.
कांग्रेस को क्यों रोकना चाहिए? कांग्रेस को क्यों रोकना चाहिए? कानून व्यवस्था है. अगर कानून में किसी पर रोक लगाने की व्यवस्था है तो उस पर रोक लगनी चाहिए. लेकिन कानून व्यवस्था जो भी है उसके आधार पर ही कर सकते हैं. हम कानून व्यवस्था से हट कर नहीं कर सकते हैं. इसलिए उस पर जिन लोगों को चिंता है और जो लोग समझते हैं कि इसमें कोई कार्रवाई की आवश्यकता है, वो कानून व्यवस्था का सहारा लें और अपनी बात कानून व्यवस्था के आधार पर आगे बढ़ाएं.
With just one day to go for the Election Commission's deadline to end, authorities in Lucknow and Noida have finally begun covering statues of Mayawati and the elephant, BSP's election symbol. This even as controversy rages over the Election Commission's order asking for these statues to be veiled as part of the Model Code of Conduct ahead of the elections. The Election Commission has defended its decision, saying this is to ensure free and fair elections. Almost 100 statues need to be covered in Lucknow and Noida's Ambedkar parks. More on Ooty's Tribal Dance Festival coming right after this break. Stay tuned.